I welcome you all in episode 94 of Explore Yoga. In today's episode, we will learn about effects of the pranayama. Pranayama is a wonderful mechanism. In the process of pranayama, as the concentration and rhythm of the breath increases, our capacity of taking breath more in depth and in a regulated form. As a result, irregularity disappears and prana is free to move in all directions. Then impulsive behavior of prana also disappears with this learning, as there is more regularity and smoothness. Effects, as far as we are to learn today in this episode about the effects of pranayama on our body, we can divide it into different parts to explain it in or to understand it in detail. The first effect is effect on various organs and parts of our body. With the practice of this pranayama, the flow of prana is controlled and regulated in every system of our body. The practice of pranayama helps to energize and strengthen our breathing organs. Various body parts and organs like nerve channels of our feet, intestines, kidneys, stomach, pancreas, liver, diaphragm, chest, heart and all parts of above the throat get affected and benefited. All important organs, without which even we die, also get energized with the practice of this pranayama. The second effect, we will discuss the effect of pranayama on blood circulatory system. Pranayama is an excellent technique to purify the blood at a faster speed. Pranayama is also helpful to flow the purified blood with the entire body, and it results that all the organs of our body are nourished with the oxygenated blood and unwanted elements are absorbed. Thereafter, impure blood passes through the veins and reaches to the heart. And after that, this impure blood reaches to the lungs, where oxygenated breath purifies the blood cells and foreign matter is expelled in form of carbon dioxide. The third effect, we will discuss the effect of pranayama on glandular system. The location of important glands is quite close to the chakras or plexus on the Sushumna Nadi in our body. Pranayama is more effective for the proper and systematic flow of prana in our body for these vital nerve centers. The secretions from these glands is also controlled by this technique. Let us explain the effect of long deep breathing and bandhas on glandular system. While practicing long deep breathing, when mool bandha is applied, seminal gland in men and reproductive organs in women and excretory system is affected. Upon prana becomes active, as a result, one can regulate the sexual desire and emotional state of mind. Reproductive organs and excretory system become healthier. When Udan Bandh is applied with external retention of breath, known as Bahya Kumbhaka, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, spleen, kidney, stomach, and other digestive organs are affected and benefited. When a sadhaka inhales up to the throat and internal kumbhaka is applied with Jalandhar Bandha, thyroid, parathyroid, pineal and pituitary glands are controlled and are benefited. Thyroid gland acquires more capacity to release more hormone in the blood, and parathyroid gland starts distributing calcium in the blood more efficiently. Pineal and pituitary glands are also affected and get stronger wonderfully. Pineal gland is called the king of all the endocrine glands. These both the glands are called glands of knowledge and glands of actions respectively. Now we will learn about the effect of pranayama on our nervous system. With the practice of pranayama, nervous system becomes healthier to receive communications from the brain and to convey and distribute these all over the body. These all activities start happening in proper manner. Pranayama helps to stop the distractions of mind and brain. Communication becomes faster. The energy of different parts of the brain is also get activated. 64 nerves originate from the right and left side of the spine. These all have been mentioned in our scriptures as yoginis. These 64 yoginis or channels are activated with the practice of pranayama. These all channels are purified and massages and also messages are sent smoothly to the entire body through these channels. What is the effect on pranic nadi system? Subtler channel system. When breath or swar flows through the left nostril, Ida nadi is stimulated. It means air carrying prana in it starts working and prana starts flowing everywhere. Since Ida is a cooling channel, so everywhere cooling energy starts circulating. After 1 hour, prana starts flowing from the right nostril, known as Pingla Nadi. Then warmth starts flowing everywhere as Pingla Nadi is warm energy channel. When breath or swar starts changing from left to right or right to left, then medium prana starts flowing for new movements and Sushumna Nadi is activated. By this constant practice of pranayama, one develops the capability of controlling Ida, Pingla and the Sushumna swar. And sadhaka can succeed in increasing or decreasing these pranas according to their will. Madhyaswar. Madhyaswar is highly beneficial for intellectual, thinkers and spiritual persons. For those who have engaged in their routine life are trying to finish their work, left swar is important for them. Similarly, to start a new work or an activity that needs more energy, right swar carries a great significance for those people. Practice of pranayama helps in controlling of these all pranic nadis. The practice of pranayama also affects the development of mental faculties and powers. The penetrations in the 5 koshas of the body and the proactive flow of prana shakti in the 7 chakras help mental faculties immensely. With this, the chitta concentration increases. As a result, various hidden subtle qualities the body-mind system starts getting manifested. For examples, wisdoms, problem-solving capacity, foresightedness, power to memorize, and telepathy, etc., are improved. This is a kind of subtle development of the body-mind system with special skills. When pranas get regulated and stabilized, then state of mind start getting calm and centric. Centric means still, stable. There is a verse in Sanskrit, chale vate chale chitam nischale nischalo bhavet. Or it means when prana is chalayman or in flowing state, mind also becomes turbulent. On the other hand, when prana becomes nischala or not flowing, mind becomes calm and centric. Turbulence of mind disappears, which means mind becomes peaceful, concentrated, and strong. With the practice of pranayama, and internal powers of the mind come into action. As a result, the physical body also becomes pure, nourished,